We're at the Plug and Play HQ right now in Sunnyvale, California, where we just concluded the NEDO Silicon Valley Immersion program pitch event, and we're outdoors right now enjoying a networking session. All the startups that you got the privilege to work with, they were able to participate fully in our program.
I'm very impressed by the instructors and also the coaching or pitch coaching. Everybody is very open-minded.
After the presentation, a lot of people came to my demo and we had a really good discussion there.
Our particular role is to help support our startups to go global. The United States market is the first to build track records.
US is naturally the biggest market in the world. I feel like it's the most, startup-friendly country. So that's why we need to connect.
Children with disabilities are waiting for us. That's why we decided not just stay in Japan. We have a great product I wanted to bring to the United States.
Therapeutics is no border. So our product should be expand to all over the patients.
Atmosphere Plug and Play has, it's kind of laid back, relaxed, but also everyone is startup friendly, believe in startups and technology.
Plug and Play have done a tremendous job organizing programs to help our startups go global.